We left home to travel the world and brought work with us. Follow the journey as we immerse ourselves in cultures around the globe and inspire others to do the same.
We're Brandon and Erin. Subscribe and stay tuned.
We are ready for a long travel day. We are flying from Medellin to Panama City, Panama. We have a layover there, and then we fly from Panama to Quito. So we arrived at the airport
30 minutes before we could possibly check in, so we're very early, but that means we'll have plenty of time in the lounge. I'll get to work some, and
to edit some videos.
yeah, we don't have to stress.
Why we arrived here so early is because our taxi driver drove like a maniac, a complete maniac.
Really intense.
It was crazy. It was supposed to take an hour and a half to get here. We got here in like less than an hour.
Yeah. Not complaining, but it was scary.
We are at the Copa Club Lounge in the Medellin airport, and we are literally all by ourselves.
I've got sandwiches, I've got tea, I've got potato chips that are platanos. We got mimosas to start off our day because why not? We're in the lounge. Cheers. So we are taking full advantage of this lounge access. We've had like 10 sandwiches, had a sampling of everything else they have, and we have mimosas.
Continue with our boarding process for flight 646 to Panama City. We invite passengers.
We're about to board our flight to Panama. So we boarded our second flight. We're in Panama and we're gonna end up in Quito, Ecuador. We are in Quito, Ecuador.
And we're headed to the center city, and we're in a cab. It should take about 45 minutes, an hour.
Something like that.
Yeah.
This is our home in Quito for 5 days, and it's really nice. Way nicer than Medellin.
It's huge. So we went to this incredible restaurant. We're still here right now. We're actually on the roof. So we just ordered our wine and our entrees. The bartender's pouring us these little like hot drinks. He's like, go up to the roof, enjoy the view while your dinner's being prepared. Have this nice hot drink to warm up. Whoa, that's good. It's like a hot juice that has a little alcohol. It's really good. We're about to head out to go to a free walking tour of the center city, which is like the historical downtown area.
We're at Mercado Central. So here's a fun fact. Last Valentine's Day, they exported 18,000 tons of roses from Ecuador. So it's a huge export for them.
This is one of the most amazing fruits, the one we have. It's called arasa. It's actually one of my favorites.
Trying juice with avocado,
Lula.
lulo or naranjillo. I don't know,
Something else.
but it's really good. It's green. Usually, traditionally, they have it with eggs, which I've raw eggs. Which we did not try that. Some people are. Brave souls.
Cheers.
Cheers.
My vegetarian almuerzo is $3.75. It's amazing, delicious, and comes with dessert.
fellow vegetarian. We're getting all the vegetarian scoops. So we have the Basilica behind us and the Virgin Mary statue in front of us. A really cool street in the old town.
That's why the name. It's called the Basilica of the National Vote, because they decided to vote to build it. The Congress decided to vote because they're going to build it with money from the state. As you may know, all these religious temples are...
It's not like making Nestle or Hershey's, you just squeeze the beans and put chemicals and that's it. No, it's a very long process, it's very difficult. And there is a lot of steps to put the flavor where you want it. And if you ruin some of the steps, you ruin the chocolate. So
We are standing right on the balcony of the best chocolate place in Ecuador. It won the best awards 2 years in a row. And we got tastings of about 10 different kinds of chocolates. It's really cool. And we just bought 2 chocolate bars that we're gonna have later. Maybe with dessert, maybe with some wine. And we got a great view. Where we are standing in now was actually a hospital that they only recently converted into a museum because the hospital was too outdated. This was the first hospital ever created in Ecuador, and it's beautiful. There's so many courtyards, and we're actually here when it's closed, so this is like a private tour because our tour guide got us in even though it's closed. Cheers, everybody! Now we are going to the Basilica and to get lunch at Govinda's, which is a vegetarian place in Quito. So we are really excited, and yeah, let's do it.
It's absolutely beautiful. I feel like I say that all the time, but it really is, and it's cool to be able to climb it.
And the views are incredible.
This is so insane.